So, good afternoon, grade 4 students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I am good.
You're good. You're fine.
And you?
How about the others?
I'm happy.
Okay, so that's great. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Is it Monday?
Tuesday.
No, it's Tuesday. Okay. What is the color for Tuesday?
Pink.
Okay, very good. It is pink. How do you spell the word pink?
Pink.
Wow, okay. So today we will be having your English subject. This is your smile. So I want you to bring out your smile book, your student book, and workbook. Okay, so for today we will be having smile activities. You will do a lot of activities. Okay, so are you ready, students?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's start by reading this vocabulary. Okay, you can follow after teacher na. Number 1, school. School. Number 2, subject. Subject. Okay, number 3, difficult. Difficult. Number 4, easy. Easy. Number 5, favorite. Favorite. Number 6, email. Email. Number 7, friends. Friends. Number 8, morning. Morning. Number 9, afternoon. Afternoon. And number 10, evening. Evening. Okay. So I want Namken, can you please read number 1 to 10? Okay.
Subject. Difficult. Key. Email. Friend. Morning. Afternoon. Evening.
Wow, very good, Namkeng. Okay. How about school? Okay, can you please read the vocabulary? Number 1.
Number 1, school.
Okay. Number 2,
Number 2,
subject.
subject. Number 3,
Difficult.
difficult. Number 4,
Easy.
easy. Number 5,
Favorite.
traveling. Number 6,
Number 6,
evening.
email. Email.
Email.
Okay.
Email. Number 7,
Friends.
pen. Number 8, mark.
Again, number 8.
Number 8, morning.
Okay.
Number
Number
9, afternoon.
Number 10.
Evening.
Wow, very good. Okay, how about Pupa? Pupa 2. Okay, can you please read? Number 1.
Number 1, school. Number 2, subject. Number 3, difficult. Number 4, easy. Number 5, favorite. Number 6, email. Number 7, friend. Number 8, morning. Number 9, afternoon. Number 10, evening.
Wow, very good. Okay, how about int? Okay, can you please read the vocabulary int?
School. Subject. Difficult. Easy. Favorite. Email. Friend. Morning. Afternoon. Evening.
Okay, very good. So this is our vocabulary for this topic. Okay, so now let's move on to your activity. So please bring out first your student book. Okay, open your student book on page 11. So page 11 from your student book. Okay, exercise 8. You listen, read, and circle true or false. We need first to read this passage before we will answer these questions. Okay, let's read all together. Today is Monday. Ben goes to school at 8 o'clock. He's got science and math in the morning. He eats lunch at 11:30. In the afternoon, he's got music and art. At break time, he plays football. He goes home at 4 o'clock. Okay, so let's answer now questions number 1 to 5. Number 1, Ben's got music in the morning. Is it true or false? Okay, so the answer here is false. Okay, it is false because that is in the afternoon, not morning. Okay, number 2, he's got art in the afternoon. Is it true or false? It is true. Number 3, he plays football at break time. So let's read this passage. At break time, he plays football. So it is true. Number 4, he eats lunch at 12 o'clock. Is it true or false? Okay, it is false. Why? Because he ate lunch at 11:30. Okay, or it is 11:30. And the last question, he goes home at 4 o'clock. He goes home at 4 o'clock. Is it true or false? Okay, it is true. So we have here the passage. Okay, 4 o'clock. So it is true. Okay, so that is your exercise 8. Next, let's have your exercise 9. You are going to write about your day. So, today is, what day is today? Okay, it is Tuesday. So, I go to school at 7:30. I've got science in the morning. I eat fried rice. In the afternoon, I've got English. I go home at 4:30. Okay, so this is only an example. You can also write about your day. Next, so that is your exercise 9. Let's move on to your page 12 and 13. Okay, exercise 1. Match the questions and answers. Number 1. What subject is difficult for you? Okay, what should be the correct answer here? Okay, so in number 1, it is letter C. So you will draw a line. Math is difficult for me. Number 2, what subject is easy for you? The answer there is letter E. PE is easy for me. Number 3, what is your favorite subject? Okay, the answer should be letter D. My favorite subject is science. Number 4, do you like computers? Okay, the answer is letter A. Yes, I do. Can you play basketball? The answer is letter B. No, I can't. Okay, so number 2, exercise number 2 and 3, you are going to answer that one. Okay? So you can talk to your friends and answer this one. Okay, so this will be your homework. Okay na? Let's move on page 14. Okay, so this is your exercise 4. Write to a pen friend. Number 1, read the model letter. Okay, so this is the letter. So let's read all together. Dear May, this is my birthday party and this is my friend Betty. Betty is 10 years old. She likes science and music. She doesn't like math. It's difficult for her. I like science, art, and music. Art is easy for me. Tell me about your friends. Your pen friend, Anna. Okay, so find out about a friend. Okay, so you're going to write the name, age, likes, doesn't like, and which subject is difficult and easy for your friends. Okay, so example, let's answer this one. Okay, name is Betty. Age is 10. Likes science and music. Okay, what subject she doesn't like? It is math. And math is difficult for her. Art is easy for her. That is your exercise 4. Okay, next, let's proceed to your activity on your workbook. So please open your workbook on page 11. Page 11. Okay, so exercise 8, you will listen and complete. Listen and complete. Number 1, Anna's first class is in the gym. She likes PE. It's easy. Number 2, then she goes to the classroom. She reads, writes, and studies math. Number 3, at 12 o'clock, she has lunch. She has lunch in the playground with her friends. Number 4, after lunch, she has got art and science. After school, she goes home. She does homework, but it's difficult. Number 6, she goes to bed at 8 o'clock p.m. Okay. Next, still on page 11. Okay, so this is your exercise 9. Write about your day. Use the words and phrases in the box. Okay, so we have here the words. Let's read. In the morning, in the afternoon, after school, science and English, math and music, play football, go home, 9 o'clock p.m. Okay, so these words you are going to use in sentence. Let's read this one. My school starts at 9 o'clock. We are going to continue this one. So I have here an example. Let's read. I have got science and English in the morning. After lunch, I have got math and music. After school, I play football and go home. I go to bed at 9 o'clock p.m. Okay, so this is only an example. You can also do your own sentences. Okay, Mai? You can write about your day. Okay, so next, on page 12. Exercise 1, answer the questions. Okay, so please answer questions number 1 to number 4. I am going to read the questions and you will write your answer. How many subjects have you got at school? Okay, how many subjects do you have in school? Okay, you count. Okay, you write your answer here on the blank. Number 2. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Okay, right here. Number 3. What subject is difficult for you? What subject is difficult for you? Is it math, English, science? Okay. Number 4. What subject is easy for you? What subject is easy for you? So please write your answer here. Next, still on page 12. Okay, exercise 2. Read and complete. Use the words in the box. Okay, so we have here the words like math, is, easy, difficult, hard, PE, and doesn't. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Number 1, that is math. Number 2, is. Number 3, easy. Number 4, are. Number 5, likes. Number 6, doesn't. Number 7, difficult. And number 8, PE. Let's move on page 13. Okay, exercise 3. Rewrite the email in your notebook. Rewrite the email in your notebook. Okay, so recheck this one. The correct letter is this one. Please copy on your book. So this should be the correct letter. Okay. So that is your exercise 3. Let's proceed now to your exercise 4. Okay, put the sentences in the correct order. Then write Maria's email. Okay, so you are going to arrange these sentences. You write numbers 1 until number 6. So arrange these sentences. Okay, letter A. What do you think is the number of this sentence? This is number 4. Letter B. This is number 1. Letter C. Bye-bye is number 5. Letter D, that is number 3. Letter E, that is the last one. And letter F, that is the second. Okay. That is the arrangement of the letter. Next, write Maria's email. Okay. So please copy the words correctly. Grade 4. This is all for your activity today, grade 4 students. Thank you very much for participating and listening. See you again on our next class. Okay, so always stay safe there. Goodbye.